Hey guys, happy Sunday. It's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an 8-track player out of a Buick, 72 Buick GS-350. Now, a word of caution here. Buick 8-track players can have the exact same 8-pin rectangular connector as a Chevy 8-track player, and so the customer is likely to think, well, they're the same unit basically, so they should hook up the same. That's not the case at all. Buicks are wired completely differently than Chevys, Pontiacs, and other 8-track players. You cannot plug a Buick unit into a Chevy car. You cannot plug a Chevy unit into a Buick car, because what's going to happen is you're going to send 12 volts straight to the amplifier's output. You're going to blow the amplifier before you even put a tape in, because that bypasses the on-off switching and all the other kind of stuff. So it's extremely important to make sure that you've got either the right vehicle for your car, or the right 8-track player for your car, or that you observe my labeling. On every single 8-track player that has this rectangular 8-pin connector, I include a diagram showing which connector pins connect to what. And here's my where did I put, I may not have it on hand at the moment. Where did I put that thing? Had a little diagram drawn. Oh, here we are. Yeah, it's just a little diagram that I draw, if I can figure out what the heck I'm doing with the cameras here. Alrighty, and it's just with every 8-track player, I include a diagram of the connector. Not on the worksheet, it'll be written on the envelope, much neater than that, but this is just an aid to troubleshooting. It's very strongly recommended to make sure that at least the wire colors match up between this connector and your car connector before you try plugging it in. At any rate, this unit, customer states, had been working well, then stopped producing sound output. So let's go ahead and make sure that it does produce output before we send it back. So we got some Neil Sedaka here on deck. Let's go ahead and plug her in. Okay. Make sure we got both speakers. Balance left, balance right. Okay, both speakers.
If you're feeling low down, if you're gonna put her down, I whisper in to me. If your chick's flown the coop, she's the one you find.
Okay, so we have sound output on both sides now. The unit is working fine, correct speed and all that stuff. Sorry it's such a short test. There's just not that much to test on a standalone 8-track player. So I'm going to get out of here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download a work order so you can at least get an idea of my prices and options, including options for turn time. That's going to be on page 9 of the work order. That's going to save both of us a half an hour on the phone with the 20 questions thing. Because of my workload, I'm simply not able to spend half an hour on the phone with each new customer. 5 minutes about my max, so that I can actually get the work done. So please do visit my website and have a work order in your hand before calling me. And once you've got that work order in your hand, you probably won't need to call me, because that's designed to answer all your questions. So, but it is okay to still call me just to get to know me, get to trust me, stuff like that. As far as what all do you do, how much does it cost, do not hit me with that on the phone. I'm not equipped to handle that mentally, sorry to say, but it's that's just brain space, that's just brain power being taken off the bench and on the phone, where it's really not doing much good, because you can get that information on my website anyway. So thanks so much for watching and listening. And this comes from Zakira's Garage in Cincinnati, Ohio. So thank you to my friends at Zakira's Garage for your business. And thank you for watching and listening. See you next time.